Sunday. Right now, 65 degrees, wind out of the north from 10 to 15. You could be seeing a few little spotty areas of drizzle out there. Otherwise, it's dry until after midnight, so another few hours, but cloudy overhead. It is noticeably cooler today. And oak, hickory, sycamore, all at a moderate count. So if something was messing with you today, maybe your allergens bugging you, that could have been why. The tree pollen generally elevated this time of the year, but the rain is going to help pat down a lot of that pollen, so you'll see that lower pollen levels will go right back up on Monday and Tuesday, though, when that sunshine returns. 68 degrees as we look from our Dallas Baptist University camera, and it looks like we could be seeing a few raindrops on the camera lens there if you do see it. Very light until tomorrow morning. We're looking at cloud cover across the entire region. Plan on seeing the cloud cover the remainder of the evening and the overnight, really most of the weekend. This is Saturday around 3 in the morning, and I'm choosing 3 in the morning because that's when we start to see some widespread rain in the area. We'll start to notice it really ramp up in coverage along our western counties first. I'm going to stop the clock here around 7 because between 7 to about 10 in the morning, if we were to see any thunderstorms, this is going to be the best time frame for them to happen. And really, if we see any stronger storms, it'll be around this time, and it'll mostly be for areas in central Texas. If you plan on making your way down to central Texas, you'll likely encounter some storms with small hail at the latest concern, but really that's a really low threat. We could see some downpours as we get closer to noon on Saturday, and this will be along our eastern counties. But watch what happens here in the afternoon. This big cluster of rain then comes in. This is 3, 4 in the afternoon. We'll see widespread rain in the area. Again, I'm expecting most of everyone to pick up at least a trace of rain. Most of us will see closer to 1 to 2 inches of rain. I'm going to take you now to about 7 in the evening. A lot of that rain now takes over the eastern half of North Texas. It'll start to taper off as we head into overnight Saturday into Sunday morning. Sunday morning, again, you might see an area or two of drizzle, and then we'll begin to dry out. 1 to 2 inches of rain looks to be pretty consistent with most models, at least across North Texas, with a few isolated pockets of higher amounts, especially south of Interstate 20, closer to Johnson, Hill, Ellis County. Our rain coverage stays elevated at least through Saturday night, tapers off Sunday morning. We're dry Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Rain chances come back, and it does look like that really sets us up for an unsettled pattern for the remainder of the month at the very least. So tonight, rain coverage picks up 80%, 58 degrees. Tomorrow, 59 degrees for the high temperature. So that means our temperatures are not changing all that much at all throughout the day. On Saturday, we'll warm up just a tad more on Sunday, all as we see some of that cloud cover break apart. 70s, a little more sunshine early in the week, and then after that, I have daily rain chances at least through the first few days of May. May already on the charts, if you can believe it.